So, you are here to learn how to remove/Photoshop something out of your picture. I'm going to show you two of the most used and efficient ways to do so. Let's open up Photoshop and let's get to it. Okay, so we are now in Photoshop. For the first of the two methods, we are going to use something called the clone stamp tool. While in the picture, you are going to press and hold Alt and click on an area you want to replace the object with. You can start by coloring away the object to blend it in with the rest. But you know how it looks super artificial and things just don't seem to match in the sky? This is where the next tool comes into play. So now let's revert that and try it again with something called the Lasso tool. Click on that and you're going to select the area you want to replace. In this example, I just want to remove the traffic light and replace it with more sky. After you've selected the area, these little continuous dots will appear. So you're going to head to the top menu, hit Edit, ContentAware Fill, and a green plague will completely invade your picture. But hold it! This is actually an important step to accomplish the task. So now, this is where you tell Lightroom what areas of the picture you don't want to replace it with. So we are going to erase all of the green selection until only the sky remains, since that is the part that I want Lightroom to use and replace the object with. After you're done with that, hit enter and Lightroom should completely replace the object for you. But there are also times where Lightroom won't do such a good job and you'll have to use both the Lasso tool and the clone stamp tool to get it done. For example, now I want to remove the other traffic light. I'm going to select the Lasso tool and repeat the process. And on the right side, you can also see a preview of what the picture will look like after the process. Hit enter, but as you can see, it didn't do such a good job as last time. This is where you will want to use the Lasso tool first in order to get a starting point and then clean it up with the clone stamp tool. And there you go, two methods to help you take objects out of your pictures using Photoshop. Here's the before, and here's the after. Now, if you found this helpful, did you know YouTube allows you to like videos? That's crazy. Also, they allow you to subscribe to stay in touch with upcoming content. What the heck? That's crazy. But enough seriousness, guys. If you found this video helpful, leave a like down below. Subscribe. I'm gonna be doing a couple more videos about tutorials, videography/photography. If you guys are interested in that, camera basics, things like that. But yeah, if you found this video helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and we out. Yeah!